Hello, good morning to everybody. This is a lesson for class 6 students, and today we will proceed towards computer subject, and we will be going to lesson number 2. The title of the lesson is More on MS Windows. Let me start that you have already learned about MS Windows operating system in your previous class. Now today we will go for studying one more thing, which is components of Windows operating system. Now how I will explain you. First of all, I will show you the window and its structure. By structure I mean different components, that means buttons, bars and other things of a window. Now you are looking at the picture. I am focusing it. First of all, we will start from this bar where my pointer is. This purple color bar is known as title bar. What the title bar contains? Title bar contains the name of that particular file about which the file speaks. This window is actually a screenshot of this PC. So I am going to have the title like this PC on top. Next to PC, on the upper right corner, you are seeing cross button, square button and minus button. Cross button stands for closing the window. Square button stands for restoring the window. That means if you have made a window small, when you will click on this button, the window will become bigger. And minus button, dash button stands for minimizing. Minimize means if you are working in two windows simultaneously, you can minimize one and work in another. Similarly, you can minimize that window and work in first one. So these three buttons are clear. After that, we will be going to address bar. The address bar lies here. Actually, this time we are having this PC as address, and here you will see the complete address of the file. Then we are going to menu control bar. Menu control bar means here you are seeing file menu, computer menu and view menu. Menu means there are certain buttons which are contained inside the file or inside the computer or inside the view. For example, you can view, you can zoom your file according to percentage and the screen will become bigger or smaller. In computer button, you can see various drives or devices which are attached here, and in file menu, you can open the file, print the file, view the file, open a new file. These are the options present here. After that, you are seeing some folders here. And on this side you are seeing desktop. Desktop means if you want to go to desktop, it will show you desktop view. Here is downloads view. Download view will show you the videos downloaded. And then there is some recent places, then favorites, some of your favorite files. And then there is this PC, and this PC contains these folders, and there you are seeing local disk C, E, F, and you are seeing videos, pictures, music, downloads, documents and desktop extra. After that, we have discussed minimize, maximize and restore buttons, and here you will see two buttons. This time they are not enabled, and when you are working in a window, they can be enabled and disabled. This is the back button. For example, you have opened a window and you are in the third step. If you want to proceed or go back to previous step, you can click here on the back button. And similarly, from the back button, this view, if you want to go forward, one more button, one more step, and this is the button for that. This is known as forward button. And similarly, we have scroll bars. In this window, there are two types of scroll bars. Whenever the physical area is less and the file contains much area, your scroll bars will appear here, upside and downside, and they are known as vertical scroll bars. And similarly, on this side of the window, you can have again two scroll bars which are horizontal scroll bars. Horizontal scroll bars will move your page horizontally, and vertical scroll bars will move your page vertically. And then there is one more bar which is present at the bottom of the screen, and that is known as this. Let us have a view here. This is known as status bar. The bar at the bottom of the screen is known as status bar. I am showing status bar here. Why it is known as status bar? Because it shows the status of the particular window or particular system. For example, here you can say, is the system connected, how much it is charged. Here you can see different symbols, and here you can see a browser which is Opera Mini, and here you can see time, and here you can see language and date as well. So the bar which shows the status of the system is known as status bar. And similarly, if we are talking about the window of PowerPoint which is opened this time, you can see the Microsoft PowerPoint because it is the title of the software which we are presently using, and computer 000 is the name of the file. And similarly, here you can see some more buttons. In our further classes we will go to these buttons. Actually this time I was only telling you about a particular window which is opening just in this slide and about its different buttons. Dear students, I hope that you have understood it very well. If you have any query, you can write in comment. Thank you so much.